Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to make some oven fried crispy chicken. This is a really easy recipe. All you have to do is set up your stations and turn on your oven to 375 degrees. Get yourself a baking rack. So what I did was with the baking rack, since I need a whole rack and I can't seem to find my complete rack, I just did a baking sheet and put 2 little racks on it so that you put your chicken strips right on it. So, and then I coat it with a little bit of coconut oil so it doesn't stick. All right. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to get these in the oven in your belly soon. All right. So first you're gonna need, on the website it says to get 1 large chicken breast. If you don't have 1 good sized large one, you can use 2 medium sized chicken breasts. Today I'm using 4, or actually 8 chicken tenders. So I get them at Costco frozen. When you get them frozen though, you definitely need to drain them, unthaw them, drain out the water, pat them dry really well, because you don't want too much moisture because you want it to be nice and crispy. So here are the chicken tenders, about this size, you know. We're gonna go with it and see if I can get them all coated today. So I put 8 in there today, all right? Then you're gonna need 1 egg. You'll need a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. You'll also need pork rinds. So with the pork rinds, you'll need 1½ cup of pork rinds, but you're gonna put them in your food processor or a high-speed blender, like a Vitamix or something, and you're gonna get them nice and crumbly. So you're gonna get them all crumbled up like that, okay? Because it's like the coating, almost replicating breadcrumbs, you know, because normally we use breadcrumbs on chicken. And you're going to need about a 1/4 cup of real Parmesan cheese. You know, the real stuff, that, not the stuff that's in a shaky bottle. Although that's pretty tasty, but you want the real stuff because it gives it a better flavor, and it also gives it a little bit of a salty kick combined with the pork rinds, okay? And then you'll need to put this heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, if I didn't already say it, into the egg batter. So what we're going to do is get started. Oh, wait. The most important thing. So here's something that we have on our website. It's called Rosa's Essence Seasoning, and it's a few ingredients mixed together, and it just makes it so flavorful, crispy, kind of give it that southern taste. And I always make up a batch of it and put it inside of a mason jar or whatever like that, so you'll have it, because you can use it with a lot of different recipes and some of the recipes on our website as well. So that's good to have a batch of that, and it goes good on all kinds of stuff, so give that a try. So what we're going to do is take 1 teaspoon of that, and we're going to season up our meat first. So let me move some of this stuff off the way. We're going to put some seasoning, just 1 teaspoon, because together you'll need 2 teaspoons of the seasoning, but we're going to put the other teaspoon of the Rosa Essence seasoning on the meat when it comes out of the oven. So you want to give it a little bit of that extra flavor at the end. So we put a little bit of seasoning on there. Let me get a lot of it in there, so you get it on both sides. Get it nice, and of course you want to try to use a fork in the beginning as much as possible, because you don't want any cross contamination or any salmonella, you know, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, okay, get it nice and seasoned. All right. So you're gonna have to get your hands in there in a minute though. So we got it seasoned up. Let's get your 1 egg and 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Put that in there. And you're going to beat that together. Nice and blended. Because that's going to be your, kind of like your binder. Because you want it to adhere, your chicken to adhere to your breadcrumbs or your crumbs. Well, it's not really breadcrumbs, it's pork rinds and Parmesan seasoning. So you're going to stir that together, your pork rinds and Parmesan. And it's good to have these stations, guys, set up, because it makes it faster and more concise when you're getting your chicken ready, instead of having everything all over the place. I like these bowls right here. I can't remember where I got them from, but I really like them. You can also use like a shallow plate, you know, to put all this on. But I love my bowls. And I can't seem to locate them or find them at a store. If you happen to know, you know, if you happen to see these, let me know. Because I definitely need to get some more, okay? So, we're going to take the chicken. I like to do it this way. Let me get a spatula. what will be ideal is you'll take this and you'll put it right on the chicken. So you don't, generally when you do like a station, you sometimes will just take it and dip. But I like shortcuts and I want to make it easy for you guys. So once you blend that up, you can just pour it right over the seasoned chicken and get that all coated, okay? Then what you're going to do is just take the coated chicken and just dip it in here and put it on your tray. Super simple, super easy. Let's do that. Get this mixed up. So guys, let me know. Do you like chicken tenders? Have you ever tried chicken tenders with the pork rind coating or anything with pork rind coating? Because when you're on a keto diet, I know there's a lot of recipes out there that use the pork rinds, and there's some creative ones out there, and I have a few on my website too, so go check them out. But yeah, it gives it such a crispy exterior and just so flavorful from the seasonings or the salt that's already on the pork rind. So it's amazing. So what we're going to do now is take our mix right here, our coating, and one at a time, we're going to take our chicken. There you go. Make sure you get that heavy whipping cream and the seasoning on there. I like to do it this way. So I'll set it in the center, and use one hand, of course, for the wet and one hand for dry. You don't want to get it all sticky. And then you just shake it. I always do it this way. I shake it to get it all coated on both sides. Then I'll use my dry hand. Then I'll flip it so that your hand on this side stays pretty dry, see? And it's not all, you know how when you're coating stuff, your hand gets all sticky and stuff. So that's a little method, and that's a tip for today. All right? Then you pat some more on there because you want it to be nice and coated and crispy. And that's what it looks like. You lay it right on that baking rack. Take another one. Kind of make sure you drain it off a little bit. Put it in there. Give it a good shake. And it almost practically coats itself. Look at that. Okay? See? Flip it over. And then give it a press because you want it to get nice and coated. These are going to be so good, guys. So delicious. Alright. Tap it off a little bit when you want to make sure it stays on. Put another one on your pan and just keep on going until they're all complete and placed on your rack. Okay, so we got our last one nice and coated. So that was pretty good, about good ratio. So you can use the 4 Costco plain chicken strips to get the perfect amount. Look how beautiful. I'll show you guys. So that's our last one. We'll put that last one on the rack. And there it is. Okay. And that's what it looks like. Nice, huh? So I'm going to put these in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to check on them. They'll get nice and crispy. You can turn them over and then let them cook for like another 5 minutes. So I will start at 20 to 25 minutes and then check, flip, and then 30 minutes. So I'll be right back and put these in the oven. Okay guys, so I took them off the oven. It took about 30 to 35 minutes for them to get nice and crispy, and they came out spectacular. They smell amazing. Check it out. Look at that. Good. So, what you're going to do now is take that, if you want, you can do about 1 teaspoon to maybe half a teaspoon, I guess half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon more of that Rosa based seasoning, just to give it a little more of a kick at the end. You want to kiss it with a little more seasoning. Put a little bit on one of my plate. And normally I have sometimes just to make it look a little better or make it look kind of fancy, I put some fresh parsley on it, cut up, but today we're going to use a little bit of dried parsley because, you know, we eat with our eyes, as you guys know, and it just looks pretty and fancy for your guests. So sprinkle a little that over that. It looks so pretty. It's like raining parsley. Look at that. I put a little bit on my plate because I'm going to try some. As always, beautiful. Beautiful. Can't help but to keep showing you because look at that crispiness. Now you know you're going to make some today, right? Delicious. So I'm going to give some a try. And I like to eat this sometimes. I'll eat it by itself, but I like to eat it, just like my hubby, with our Rosa's barbecue sauce on our website. We also have blue cheese dressing that we love to eat it with. You know, like when you're dipping the strips in, the blue cheese dressing. So good. Let me give this a try, guys. I know it's going to be great anyway. Nice. It's so tender on the inside, juicy, crispy on the outside, guys. Gotta try this one. I'm telling you, and the kids will love it. Kids love chicken strips, and it's healthy for you, flavorful, and it's keto friendly, and none of your guests will know. And that's the good part. So give these a try. And if you really like this recipe and you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Definitely ring that bell if you want to see more of these videos. You'll get that notification. And guys, come on, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You know, be a part of the family, and that way you don't miss out, because you don't want to miss out. So I'll talk to you soon. I'm Rosemarie. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye guys. See you later.